and as I promised you, here are the complete settings of this awesome spike catching strategy, a special boom and crash MACD spike catching strategy. So let's dive in now. This is Forex Gold Trading Channel, and in today's video I'm going to give you a special and also a nice boom and crash spike catching strategy this 2025. So if you are a beginner trader, if you are an advanced trader, you are also a level up trader, if you just want to have a simple boom and crash MACD spike catching strategy that you can be able to use to catch spike, here is a best boom. And you can see market just spiked now as I'm talking to you now. Market just spiked now on our boom 500 special boom and crash MACD spike catching signal, which is the same signal I share in my VIP group, and I'll be able to show you all the details now. So let's dive in now. So in today's session, we are going to talk about free 2025 boom and crash MACD spike catching strategy. So it's a special strategy that is used to catch spike trading the boom and crash market. So number one, I'm going to give you the full settings. I'll give you the full settings of the strategy, which is number one. In fact, after finishing this, I'm going to give you the settings. Number two, I'm going to give you the conditions and the rules of this awesome strategy. Number three, I'm going to give you the entry trigger of this strategy. And number four, I'm going to give you the exit or stop loss using this awesome spike catching strategy. So let's dive in now. So earlier today, I have one of my VIP member, and she asked me for a boom and crash spike catching strategy, and I promised her before the next 24 hours I'm going to give her a special boom and crash spike catching strategy that she can be using to catch spike consistently trading the boom and crash market. So here's the special strategy, but before I dive in, let me first of all give you the settings. Let me first of all give you the settings of this awesome strategy. Then we can be able to dive in. I'll give you the complete rules for this awesome strategy. Here are the complete settings of this awesome strategy. So in this strategy, we have two windows, main window and window indicator one. So from the window indicator one, we have the moving average, we have the fractals, and also on the indicator window one, we have the MACD and we have the moving average. So let me first of all give you the settings for this awesome moving average on the main window indicator. So we have an moving average with period 20, shift 0, method exponential, applied to weighted close HLCC/4. This is the one you will choose. This is the one I personally use. And no levels, time frame, all time frames. Then the style is somehow dark blue, so you can use any color of your choice, that's fine. So these are the settings for this moving average. You can be able to screenshot it, or you can be able to just set it up like this. So let me go back. Let me give you the second indicator, which is the fractals. I use the fractals because I identify some change of character with it, so that's the reason I personally use it. So you may use it as well, because I may show you one or two things about it. So you can just change the style to any color of your choice. Here, my own color, you can use it as well. So in the window indicator one, we have the moving average and we have the MACD. So let me give you the settings for the MACD first. On the MACD, we have the fast EMA 12, slow EMA 26, MACD SMA 9. Applied to close. Levels, we don't have levels. Time frames, all time frames. We have two styles. We have the red and we have the blue. The red is the main is the red color with bold. You see, the line is bold, so it's the last text you can use. Pixel 4 or Pixel 3 if you are using the Android version. Then for the signal, it's blue. Here are the settings. You can see it's bold too, but you can leave it short dash and you can use the one you want. But for me, I will leave it with this one. Then I come back again. Then we have another moving average, which is 20 period moving average, but this one have shift 4. This one have 4 shift. It's not the same thing with the one on the period is the same, but the shift is different. And applied to this one is applied to close, but that one is applied to HLCC/4. But this one, you'll place it apply to previous indicators data. this one, previous indicators data. So you can see here at the complete setup, I think we are done with this. So you can be able to screenshot it so that you can be able to set it up on your phone, or you can be able to just set it off as it is like this now. So let's go back. Settings of this awesome strategy. Let me give you the settings for the last time. For the moving average, we have the 20 shift to 0 method exponential applied to HLCC/4 style dark blue. For the fractals, I have 4 full styles. For the MACD, I have the fast EMA 12, slow EMA 26, MACD SMA 29. You can be able to screenshot it as well. So here are the settings for the last time. So now I'm done with the settings. Let's go back to the next hour, which I'm going to give you the full conditions of this awesome boom and crash spike catching strategy, because I just saw a very nice setup now using the same strategy on Boom 1000, but I'm currently trading Boom 500 right now, and this is the one I give signal earlier today in the VIP group, and I'm going to show you that now. So earlier today I spotted a very nice signal on Boom 500, which is the one I give in my VIP signal group. You see I have printed the signal. This is the entry, this is the stop loss, and you can see it's currently running in good profit now from the VIP signal. In fact, the last update I had, we have almost, you see, we'll have almost 60 pips profit running on this awesome setup, and it was a nice setup that I go with this awesome boom and crash MACD free spike catching strategy. So that is why I want you to understand, if you have good information, if you have anything you want, you can be able to make money trading the boom and crash spikes. So let me go back to the main list so that we can see our next on our list. This is conditions for this strategy. What are the conditions for this awesome strategy? What are the main conditions that you are going to put in place in order to make sure this strategy is a very successful and profitable strategy for you? These conditions has only 2 conditions, and let me go back to my chart and I'll show you those conditions. So the number 1 condition for this awesome strategy is, make sure if you want to use this strategy to trade, make sure you are trending in an uptrend or downtrend, meaning you should be trending in a trending market with this awesome strategy. This strategy can only be useful and very useful if you trade it in a trending market, either an uptrend market or a downtrend market. If you have problem with uptrend and downtrend, kindly check the videos in the description where I discuss about market structure, highs and lows system, higher high, higher low, lower low, lower lows for the uptrend and downtrend scenario movement respectively. So check the link in the description or check my videos on my channel. I have been able to post enough videos to help you understand the simple meaning of higher highs, higher low, lower highs, lower lows in an uptrend or downtrend scenario. So let's move on now. So the first condition with this awesome strategy is you want a spike to come and cross above this black moving average you are seeing on my main chart. Sorry, I was having catarrh, so sometimes my voice will be somehow because I did not take my coffee, which I will take later. So I want you to understand, if you want to make money with this spike catching strategy, make sure you obey these 2 conditions. First condition, make sure price is crossed above the exponential moving average we have on our one chart. If you just have a price that just go like this, let me show you what I mean here. Let me use this red line. If you have, this is it now, this is it. You see this green line, this red line. So this one now, it crosses, let me even move the horizontal line. This is the first confirmation. This is it. This is the first confirmation. Price has broken above our exponential moving average with a spike. Then what's the next thing? The next thing is we should come and check our MACD here. What is the MACD reading? What is the MACD reading? I want you to understand that if the MACD is trading, look at it here. You see, as it happens here, the MACD is still trading below the 0 level. This is the 0 level of the MACD. This is it. This is the 0 level of the MACD, this level. This level is the zero level of the MACD. This level you are seeing. So you need to understand, if there was a spike, and the spike, after the spike you notice that the price is still trading below the zero level, then don't enter the trade. Don't enter the trade. Wait for the final confirmation. What is the final confirmation? Which is the second condition? The second condition says make sure you are buying when the MACD histogram bars started printing above the zero level. That is the second condition. This market has spiked again. I just noticed it. This market just spiked again now. You need to understand. That is what you need to understand. Condition 1, a spike should cross above the exponential moving average to verify to that there is change in trend. Confirmation 2, the MACD histogram bars should started printing above the zero level. If they are printing below the zero level and you have a spike above the exponential moving average, please don't buy. I say please don't buy. You see, at a spike here, I will have our confirmation. So we waited. I did not enter. I have to wait again. After this first this candle, second candle, this is the third candle. After this third candle, this third red candle, that is when I enter, because I was anticipating a final breakout above this range, because I've already used my price action analysis and even the fair value gap. I identify a very nice fair value gap with this strategy. You see, this is what we call break and retest strategy. Break and retest strategy. Price has broken structure, price has changed character, broken structure, come back into that fair value gap, and as the market just tapped into that zone, what happened? Market continued to spike up higher. I even give this signal with one of my VFE member today live. I told her whenever price tap into that area and go up again, she should just buy. So that is what you need to understand. We have two conditions. Condition 1, price should trade above the exponential. And let me tell you, the best zoom level for this strategy is to use the third zoom level. You can see I'm using the third zoom level. I can be able to see clearly. And the best time frame is you can identify your setup on the 4 hours, 1 hour, 30 minutes, and you can use 15 minutes or 5 minutes to enter your trade. Like me, I use 15 minutes to enter my trade. This is why I enter my trade. This is why I enter my trade. This is it. I use 15 minutes confirmation using the price action, but with my own strategy, I use the 1 minute chart to enter my trade, which is here. I've gotten my own confirmation to take my trade. This is Forex Gold Trading Channel. If you try to check this strategy, you can be able to see another setup. Though this one is for sale, let's look for buy because it's boom. Let's look for buy. See another buy here. Look at it. See another buy here. When this thing break above the moving average, it's exactly at this last candle. And what happened? You wait for the first candle. Histogram started printing above the zero level. Then you just enter your buy. You just enter your buy. Whenever those two conditions are met for buy and sell, please make sure you just enter your trade without any fear. And I will give you, that is the entry level I'm going to give you. Let me check my list. So the entry trigger is, for me, the entry trigger, I use price action or candlestick pattern. Like here, I use price action. Let me show you on the main chart. You see, I use price action. Look at it here. I use price action, get my order block zone and fair value gap area. I go down to my 15-minute time frame. Look at it here. I got a confirmation. Look at it. When price tap into this zone, this is what happened. See, after price tap into this zone, that was, even if you go to the 5-minute chart, you will see there was a bullish engulfing here. So that is why you can take your trade. So this is Forex Gold Trading Channel. So this is a nice strategy that you can be able to use it and be scalping your market. Let me check for crash boom 1000. You see, this is a good signal from boom 1000. You can see. You see, boom 1000 has changed character, break structure. So now, if price come back to this range now, using price action, you should be able to get a good trade here. See, if price come back to this range, I was able to break below this low, price will have to go back up again, and you go down to our 1 minute time frame. You see now, it started trading below it. So this is why you can exit your trade. If the, let's assume you find a setup on the 15-minute time frame and you notice that price has started trading below the exponential moving average on the 15-minute time frame, you can exit your trade and wait for another entry setup. So that is just it. Then for the stop loss, I will give you this exit and the stop loss. Whenever you want to exit your entry, whenever price started to trade below the exponential moving average, using the time frame you get your time set up, not the time frame you use in entering your trade. If you use the 15-minute time frame or 30-minute time frame to get yourself out, you are going to use 15-minute or 30-minute time frame to exit your trade. Please understand that. This is a very nice scalping strategy that you can be able to scalp the market consistently, trading the boom and crash market. Let's check for crash 1000 before we go. You see, look at it here. Look at it here. Look at, let me even go down to the 30-minute time frame. You can see 30-minute time frame, there was a serious sell-off on the crash 1000. So what happened now? Look at it. Let's happen before the setup continued to trade. Look at it. Look at it. This is where the price has broken below. Let's even go back to the 5-minute time frame. You see. So let's even, you see, you can use this. You can enter your trade with this 5-minute chart. Look at it. You just mark this zone where it is. This is the candle that broke below this moving average correctly. This one is a minor. This one is a minor because there was no complete breakout. But this one completely break out, or more than half of this candle is below the moving average. And you can see, look at it, and you can see the at this level, the MACD histogram started printing below the zero level, which is a very nice setup for me to enter my trade. And like this video, share this video with your loved ones so that we can be able to catch the fish together. Please, if you have any questions using this strategy, please leave your questions in the description of this video for me or in the comment section below, and I promise to respond to your question before the next 24 hours. Nice to have you now. See you in my next video. Bye.